Okay, so I made it. This is the Big River Crossing where you can cross into Arkansas walking across the Mississippi River. Okay, I'm not fond of bridges. I'm gonna do it. Okay, y'all don't know how freaked out I am. I really don't like bridges. I'm crossing the Mississippi River. I'm saying goodbye to Memphis. There's Arkansas. Ah! Okay, I'm literally between two states. State line. I made it halfway. Okay, so I'm almost completely across. And I'm such a goofy. I'm walking in the middle of the bridge. And someone yelled at me. Well, he was just telling me he's on my left on his bike. Even though I'm almost across, it's still hard for me to look down. Well, one good thing, by the time I get across, I would have done my 10,000 steps today. Maybe I'll make 20. Okay, so I made it across. I'll take a little rest, and I'm gonna go back. I'm thinking one of these bikes I need to rent, but if I can't walk across that, probably. Okay, it's time to go back across the Mississippi. I'll come back when I get halfway. I've gotten to the river. I'm crossing it again. A little less anxiety, but we'll see you on the other side. Okay, it is the crazy thing about fear. I'm like almost across. I swear it took me an hour to get to the other side. At least it felt like it did. I did it. I am back to the other side. Oh, maybe it was the shirt.